Today I want to show you how to find out what's trending on TikTok according to TikTok. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through what hashtags you should be using, what music you should be picking, also what creators are hot right now, who are the biggest creators, and find out the biggest creators in your niche. We're going to go through all of that, so we're going to jump on the computer so I can walk you through that step by step. So let's hit it. Okay, we are here at the TikTok Creative Center, and this is basically, it was set up by TikTok to help both content creators and advertisers know what trends are going on right now, who's the most popular, and we're going to go through this step by step. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'll leave a link in the description below to the TikTok Creative Center, just so you can easily find that. But basically what you can do, and this is important, starting out, finding out the most popular hashtags. Obviously, Halloween, based on this video, just got done with Halloween, but you can also click here and you can get the analytics as well. And it'll show you, okay, and this is really important, not just how popular it is right now, but also audience insights. Who's it the most popular with? If you know that your market is 18 to 24-year-olds, you'll know that's a great hashtag. And even 25 to 34, 35 and up, it wasn't so popular. And then you can kind of go down here and look at related interests. And then regional popularity, which is really important. For me, most of my followers are in the United States, so this is important to know. And I really like this. Also the hashtags that are related to it. So when you go to put together a video, for instance, if I were going to do a Halloween video, I would also want to add the related hashtags and also grab my phone, do some research on what hashtags the most popular videos that have put Halloween as their main hashtag, what other hashtags are they using? And it also goes through and we'll show you some of the trending creators that have used this specific hashtag. And this is really important. And obviously with Christmas coming up, Migos, Trick or Treat, Candy, and you can hit Explore Now and get an even more detailed look. And this is pretty cool. You can look at yesterday, the last 30 days, last 120 days. I don't think you would probably want to do the last 120 days for popular hashtags. I like the yesterday as well as the the last 30, but new to the top 100 is one that shows you emerging hashtags, which is really cool. And once again, you can add the industry to get even more specific. And if you look here at songs, I always take a look at this. And also when you go to post your video, at the bottom right, you can look at TikTok viral songs and it's shown there on the app as well. But this allows me to kind of look through and see kind of, once again, what songs are trending, how long they've been trending, get a little bit of the analytics, the interest over time, has it peaked? This has been good the last 17 days in a row, shows my age group once again, and once again, related interests and the countries as well. And you can also look at similar music that you can use that will be fairly popular. And I'm going to go back here. And for here, this is really cool. And what I use this the most for is, as far as the creators, is more for inspiration. If you look at Mr. Beast videos, for instance, his are, they really are based in psychology, right? He's taking a video, and I'll show you. I just looked at this, and I'm not signed in. I just looked at one of his latest Halloween videos, and it has over 60 million views, and he's giving away some of his candy bars, but mostly he gives one little kid $10,000. He gives probably a dozen kids free iPhones. He gives away an Xbox. He really just does a lot of things that from a psychological or humanity standpoint, you look at that and say, that is really cool. But I can go through all of these top creators here and I can figure out, okay, what are they doing right now? What are they doing that's trending? If they're getting 50 million views on their videos, they know what they're doing. How can I incorporate? Once again, you don't want to copy any creator's videos, but you should be able to get some inspiration. And once again, this is really awesome. Here, the TikTok videos in the last 7 days, you can go through and figure out exactly which videos are the most popular. And I can tell you that by doing this, it'll not only give you inspiration, but when you look at the video, make sure and look at the hook. What hook are they using? How are they getting your attention? And what hashtags are they using? Why? Try to dissect exactly why this video is one of the most popular TikTok videos, and that should really help you out as a creator. Also, make sure down below I'm going to leave a link to a free 7-step checklist where I take you through step by step what you need to do before you post any video just to give it the most chances of success, the best chance of going viral. Hey, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. If you have a comment, leave it down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.